Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Discord error code 404 page not found, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply restart Discord or your browser, whatever you're on, just go ahead and restart it. If you're on, if you have the Discord app open, go ahead and just, open up Task Manager and just end task, so you can just go ahead and do Control Shift and Escape. And then you can do find Discord, just right click on it and hit end task. And another method you guys can do is simply just on the web browser, you can clear your browser cache. You can do that by going over to the settings and you can find it from there. But more importantly, you can also reinstall the Discord app if you have if you're having issues with the app. Just go ahead and reinstall it. So delete it and then reinstall it. And the fourth method you guys can do is go over to Google and just check the Discord server status, because there might be a problem like where Discord itself is down or the server specifically is down, so you can go ahead and just check that. And yes, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.